Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will control the speed of brushless motor using microcontroller PWM signal. What we're going to use, we need brushless motor, we need ESC, electronic speed controller, then as well as microcontroller and joystick. So let's dive deep and see how it works. First, they'll create new project. You choose the board you are using. Give some name. I will name this H750 PWM brushless motor, brushless BLDC, and click finish. All right, let's make some setup here. Set our core clock. Use the crystal oscillator on the board. So let's configure the timer. I will use timer 3. Timer 3 channel 1. I will set to PWM generation channel 1. So first we configure the clock. My core clock will be, I will set to 400 megahertz. The maximum is 480. I will run at 400. So I will go back to timer. We use the timer clock is 200 megahertz. So 200 megahertz, we divide it, the prescaler should be 200. 200 minus 1, which is 199. It comes down to 1 megahertz. Then you divide it by 20,000, which is 20,000 minus 1. So the pulse, we will start with 1,000 pulses. That is the pulse, the duty cycle. Because the PWM is 50 hertz. So this is the pin. We will configure our ADC to control the joystick. We use the joystick to control motor, the speed of the motor. So we will choose the ADC1 in 16 in single-ended. So pay attention to the settings. First, we configure the ADC clock to 36. We will use 36 megahertz. Is okay for the ADC. So configure the ADC clock. Unfortunately, I can't get 36 here, but I will use something similar to 36, which is 37.5. So the prescaler, we are not dividing the ADC clock. We divide it by 1. We are not dividing it. Use 12-bit resolution. The continuous conversion, you must enable it. And another setting here is the overrun behavior. It should be overwritten, not preserved. Should be data overwritten. So we save to generate our code. All right, we'll go to copy some code and make some changes here on our code. I will copy some code from here. You copy these two variables. Go to exactly where you copy from and paste it there. Copy these functions. But I will comment out this, the ESC function, the ESC calibration function. I will comment it out because I will use manual calibration. You have to start the timer and start the ADC. So in your own time, you can read out this code. It's readable. Copy the timer pinout. Go down and paste it. All right. All right. Okay, we have some errors. Okay, we need one to. Okay, we'll copy this man here. We need to copy this person and paste. I think this is the problem. Okay, be successful. All right, this is the connections here. This is the connections. The two resistors here should be 10 kilo ohms. You will use 10 kilo ohms to create voltage divider. Because the joystick output 5 volts, you need to step it down. All right. So we go to flash the code on our board. Flash the code. Please pay attention to the oscilloscope. We will have some so we run the code. So we get the pulse on the timer pin. So we will calibrate the ESC manually. Take your throttle high, then plug in the battery, then take it low. It is calibrated. So as you can see, the motor is working fine. So pay attention to the oscilloscope. You see that when the joystick is raised, the duty cycle will raise as well. When you reduce it, the duty cycle will reduce. So that is it. You are controlling the motor speed. Subscribe, share our video, and like our video for more videos like this.